mine.
Masingita iyamina.
Where's the song leaders? I want us to play The Miracle Is Mine this morning. Because it is ours. Let's have the musicians come up and assist us. Where's that young drummer? There's the young drummer that's coming up there. Take us to heavenly places. Would you take us to heavenly places? Who's the young lady that led this? The miracle is mine. It's worship. It's ours. We're going to take back what the demons took away from the church. We're going to bring it back into the presence of the Lord, the blessings of God, and claim those miracles in Jesus' name. The miracle is mine.